Today's recipe on the Chef Mooney channel is a beautiful creamy mushroom asparagus pasta. Into a pan you want to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then gently fry some bacon. I'm using 300 grams of chopped bacon and I like my bacon nice and crispy, so I'm going to cook this for around about 3 minutes. Toss in half a red onion, give it a gentle stir till the onion's nice and soft, and then 1 whole bunch of asparagus chopped into pieces. 3 chopped cloves of garlic and 300 grams of heavy cream. Now you want to reduce this down slightly, depending on how thick you like your sauce. Into a boiling pot of water I want to put 400 grams of pasta and cook this to the directions on the packet. Sauce is coming along beautifully now. Give it a bit of a gentle stir, and I want to add some lovely parmesan cheese to this. You can add as much or as little as you like. Don't forget, if the sauce is too thick you can add more cream, and if it's too thin you can just reduce it down a little bit more. I'm adding a little bit of cracked black pepper. This gives it a bit of crunch as well. Really love that pepper. I'm not adding salt because I've got plenty of bacon. Toss in your pasta. Don't be scared to let that water drip through. It does help with the sauce. Sprinkle with chopped parsley. Give it a gentle stir, and oh my God, your tea is ready. Ready to serve. Portion it out onto a plate, and you can just finish it off with some more Parmesan cheese to your liking. Thanks for watching. Hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook and Twitter, and I will see you on my next recipe. Have yourselves a fantastic week. Take care.